In Summer. Lyrics from Frozen. Music and lyrics by Kristen Anderson Lopez and Robert Lopez. Bees'll buzz, kids'll blow dandelion fuzz, and I'll be doing whatever snow does in summer. A drink in my hand, my snow up against the burning sand, probably getting gorgeously tanned in summer. I'll finally see a summer breeze blow away a winter storm, and find out what happens to solid water when it gets warm. And I can't wait to see what my buddies all think of me. Just imagine how much cooler I'll be in summer. Da-da-da-doo, ah, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-boo. The hot and the cold are both so intense. Put 'em together, it just makes sense. Rat-a-tat, da-da-da-da-doo. Winter's a good time to stay in and cuddle. But put me in summer, and I'll be a happy snowman. When life gets rough, I like to hold on to my dreams of relaxing in the summer sun, just letting off steam. But the sky will be blue, and you guys will be there too, when I finally do what frozen things do in summer. In summer.